guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be making water leaf soup. Without wasting much of our time, let us begin.
This is crayfish and dry or smoked bonga fish or tilapia fish. It has a very unique taste to soup when you blend it. And for some persons that don't like locust, because definitely you're going to use locust beans for this soup, that is a ogiribo, precisely fermented locust beans. So if you don't really like the ogiribo, sometimes it smells too much or whatever, please, you can use this to substitute, but it has to be bigger than this, like add more. Okay, here we have some periwinkles. This is stockfish head. This is the ogiribo itself. When I'm about putting it, I will show you what it looks like. For those that don't know, here is yellow pepper, bullion cubes. This is the thickener we're going to be using, Achi. Of course, some salt, Waterleaf. Red oil is not, like, you can't see it, like, not bring out the red oil, but it's definitely part of our ingredients. Here in the pot I have our proteins. The beef, I've already pre-cooked the beef before now and put inside them. It's been inside the freezer. The cow tri, which is shaki, the pomo, they are fresh. So we are going to cook in everything together. So let's begin. So we are starting by cooking this proteins. I'll be adding this. Ishoporo. So add our chopped onion, some salt, seasoning cubes,
So I'll be adding water. So while our proteins are cooking, let me go ahead to blend the Achi. What's even the English name for Achi? Assignment. So I just blended crayfish and the tilapia fish. Okay, I believe by now our proteins should be ready. Let me see what is happening here. Wow. Okay, I'm going to be adding red oil. Our blended crayfish and the fish, but I'm not pouring everything at the same time. I'll remain this to be added later. So this is the ogiribo, or you can call it fermented locust beans. Is what I'm going to be using to. So I'm going to be. I've added little water, so I want to melt it in the water and add to the soup. You can equally blend it together with your crayfish and pepper, but I chose to use water to melt mine. I will take small water from here to rinse it off. Okay, I'll paint it. I just added the blended pepper, yellow pepper precisely. So I'm going to be giving it a good stir, and then okay, I'm fine. This is just the second washing, but there is no sand. In fact, I can't feel any sand, even though I'm still going to wash and wash. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to squeeze, just like we do olubo, that is a bitter leaf. For you squeeze to remove a bit of the slimy nature or the slimy effect. Which one is even that? I don't know. In fact, you people understand what I'm talking about. I'm going to be sieving this. One good thing about this water leaf I bought now, the other time, as in the one I bought is not local, it's not native water leaf, and it's making it as in worse for me. I washed for up to 4 to 5 times in fact, because the draw thing was too much. But this one just once, so, and it's not bad. So please, our advice when you're using the water leaf you should use for this should be native type. Yeah, native type. Imagine, it's just as good as I did not even wash it. Here is my achi. What I'm going to do is, sometimes I notice that achi formed lump in soup, so I dissolve with water. I'm not going to add everything at once. This one is okay for me. I'll watch it to see how it thickens the soup, then to know if I'm going to add more or not. So I'm going to be adding water to this. It's looking good, so I'll go ahead to add this before I check for salt. There's no need for salt, though. It's perfect. It's perfect. I'll only be adding some bouillon cube. I think I'll be adding the remaining achi. Let everything enter there. Hey, if I perish, I perish. There. Hey, Leno know this Periwinle. It is about to go down. I want it crunchy in the soup. That's why I didn't add it earlier. It's adding a very sweet color for this. See the consistency of the soup. I like it this way. It's not that thick and it's still not watery. It's not running. Just perfect the way I like it. You need to come closer to this kitchen. Everywhere is You can see what we have. So some of the water leaves I did not even squeeze them. So the nutrients is still here. Don't be scared. So one of the tip, or will I say guideline, I will be dropping when you want to make this. I'm just trying to cut it so it will not be that long. Will not be having strands of water leaf in the soup. So I think I will be the guideline I will be giving is, when you are buying, make sure it is the is the native water leaf. I noticed that type doesn't really have much water, and so you don't need to wash, squeeze and squeeze. Just once it's okay. Last time I used the other type of water leaf, the water was too much, and the more I wash, the more the sticky things come out. But this one didn't really give me stress. I think I'm okay. In fact, I'm going to pour every of this into the soup, and our soup is ready. So let's go back to wow, I like what I'm seeing. So this is our soup. It is too thick.
For you, nothing is happening. For you, this thing is entering my nose. You are killing me.
Can you hear my husband's voice?
Just have me follow.
He just came out from the room. The aroma of the soup doesn't allow him focus. He's actually working, but he has to come to tell me, do sharp. That's how good the soup is. So it's okay this way. I'll just allow it to boil a little, then add our vegetable, and we are ready. At this point, I'll be adding our let me stir first to know if I will finish everything, because I don't want it to, I don't want the water leaf to be too much. I'll be adding everything. It's remaining just little. This is when I'll be adding the remaining crayfish. Guys, look at the soup now. Look at it. All those things, they are greeting you especially. Wow, see our Waterleaf soup with Achi. This soup is heaven. Like you're not permitted to, like, if for you to enjoy this soup, don't use eba. Eba is rough, like it's be causing will I say traffic jams or what in your throat. Use any swallow that is very smooth, like fufu, pounded yam, whatever, but let it be very smooth. I don't think eba can give you that sweetness, or yeah, I don't think eba can give you that satisfaction, sha. So this is fufu, cassava fufu. My husband likes it, so I purposely want to make him feel great. Like I want to make him forget his worries. Then I want to give him cassava fufu. So guys, don't forget to like this video, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so. Biko, please now. Help your girl. Help your girl. I am begging you. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.